Hi Taurus, this is your message for the new moon that's happening in the sign of Aquarius on the 11th and 12th of February. Please remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Not every message is meant for everyone. This is Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus or Jupiter. We'll be doing a special reading here. This is not a past, present, future. But we'll try to decipher the messages your spirit guides are trying to send to you. What is it that you need to reset in life? New moons are about newness, starting something brand new, pressing the reset button of your life. A fresh new start. Alright, Taurus. Let's see what is the message for you. New life. Taurus, you get new life. Wow, I'm so glad to see that. You all could be stepping into a completely different aspect of yourself, Taurus. A completely new life that you have chosen for yourself. Some of you could be moving into new relationships, new jobs, new places, traveling new places, relocating. Wow, okay. Sorry, these cards are really flimsy and slippery. A little difficult to manage the new deck here. Definitely. Is somebody... Wow, okay, sorry. There are like too many cards right here. Taurus, eagerly waiting to speak. Your spirit guides definitely want to deliver some sort of good message here for you. You all could be an old relationship that is starting over with completely changed, transformed behavior. Alright, Taurus, first card is what are your spirit guides trying to help you with? Second is how can you take action on your spirit guides' advice? How can you better connect with your spirit guides? I am seeing the Seven of Swords in every reading. Almost every reading this card has come out. Alright. What are your spirit guides trying to help you with? You have the King of Swords here. They are trying to help you find that truth. Stand up for what you believe. You've become wise. I feel it's some sort of lesson or experience that you have had in your life has made you wise, intelligent, very honest and truthful. Definitely they are helping you to become this wise person that you always were. You just had to identify with that aspect of you. How can you take action on your spirit guides' advice? You have the Tower here. All right. Instead of stagnating, Taurus, earth signs they don't like to move too quick, or you might have felt a little stuck because earth signs don't really accept change easily. So the action was brought into your life. I guess this was brought in by the universe because maybe you were not moving. I don't sense that this is a physical action that you took by choice, but you were made to take that choice, made to follow that path, whatever it is for you. You were forced to accept something. How can you better connect with your spirit guides? This is Seven of Swords here. You may not be accepting of this change that's come into your life, Taurus. You may want to run away from it, but I think total acceptance and surrender will help you connect better with your spirit guides. What is it that they are trying to teach you is always, whatever it is, it's all, whatever experiences you have in this lifetime or any lifetime, it's always going to help you grow spiritually, because at the end we have to merge with that divine consciousness. We have to realize our truth, who we actually are. Don't run away from the physical, logical, practical aspect of things. Even if you may not want to, this has been brought to you for a reason. You have come to this stage in life for a reason, and it's making you wise, Taurus. Time to accept it fully, because there's no going back. This is your new life. Alright, Taurus, that's the message I have for you guys. Please take what resonated and leave what did not. If this message did not resonate with you, please watch out for your moon, rising, Venus or Jupiter. Alright, Taurus, until next time, see you soon. Bye-bye.